pas oui go dans les gamins. Yo, non we be yo. Et quand
Please, Lord, have mercy on my soul on this one.
vous m'aimez, you people, ou pas bon dans les gamins.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, non we be yo.
Soft street, soft pop.
Et quand
The mosquito way come dey chop me these days for house. Recently, we not today. Not be small. You see them on side like that.
Well, is there a mosquito can out you? Why mosquito no go shop you? You put that for Ezeke. In Unsole Gawa, so grass, full house. What's the mosquito out you? The mosquito way there has no call use man take her and come my side though. Because no why my would work it.
Now this one, I mean not too like for about you.
Moreover, they sell insecticides for my house. Mosquito caught in my house.
I tell you, na crime I use and commit.
Na crime, a very big crime. Why you gonna discuss mosquito for my house? Here look like mosquito garage.
That one don't do now. You know this to quarter now.
Don't try it again. Never in your history life. You try it again. They discuss mosquito for my house. Oh, well, I mean mosquito. Don't try again. Only matter of waro. Only we are waka see where una cook.
No verse now. Okay, I not thought that one again. This one now una cook.
The woman, my wife. Now me you marry her.
No.
Now me you gotta share her. Any again where there is love in sharing. Now me and you they gotta share my wife.
Like that.
Oh, can make a few where you are all over one suspect.
No, be now. No,
why you not know? Why you not know we don't come and live right here? Why you could ask it? Ask him.
Look, my I know the same person with the hungry.
Omaka make na oya mad. Ah, Omaka madam we buy hungry. Hungry they beat you shop oh. Person not they know everything. I work out was buy now.
I dey go market. Your food.
Your my pose abi.
Oh, your food days.
Not be food poison. You shop poison.
You said your food dating.
Not be food you want talk. You want tell me say my poison when they want to give rat in the area. Baby,
you still they do good business.
I dey sell goat no mean say I dey do goat business.
So what we say? What we bury on it? You don't come out for your house. Who do after where or can do a kewe?
I not talk like that. Here kewe. Person where they do buying and selling of goat. Now goat business they do now.
Then you don't come out for your house. Enter motor or trek. Go ask whether my wife up to a kewe. Okay, person where they do a kewe or can you do live everywhere where?
I don't see.
You see your life
today. Oh, not be the one who take give me food. But that not me say me they insult me.
Get out. Go your house.
They say me I come out.
Come on for my face.
I will come out.
They gone. You don't know if I stay. Come on, get out. Don't get out.
Just come out food when I go ask of. You don't insult me up and down.
I don't know where I'm going. Where do you go?
I'm gonna afford.
Me no your buy one and that man go never man.
E good for you. You never tell when I tell you say that your friend say make you leave and you agree.
I can't imagine and I say the friend when he to me and the friend when call is following the shop.
I don't go fit to give up. Me and my nigga, we are going so high. We are moving very fast. You need to make it twice before you run the dice. Make you know come they start to ask like why you shine. It will be like surprise. Everything will happen for your life. Every day and night we are conqueror. Ask what it belongs to be glorious.
So what we go say on it? What we say on it? Even when I sit down,
You sure?
Voila. You well. I don't want to die. Walk back for me.
Daddy, no be me.
Domo, sir.
Ross,
Good day, everyone. I reside in Europe, and my name is Ezemian, aka Enogi of Europe. I stay in Austria. Your son Kelly sent a message to you guys. Kelly sent me a message to you guys.
Kelly, my son. My son don't enter jail for more than 4 years old.
But yes.
He did jail for that side.
Okay, yeah, excuse me. Hello. Yeah, I'm in Benin now. Yes, I'm in Benin. I'm in Kelly's residence right now.
Moira.
Okay, TTBT of Italy that I went to their house and I saw his wife. I delivered the goods to her. Yes, everything's okay. Yes. Okay, call JJ Barry in UK. Tell him I went to his house and I saw his wife. I gave her the money. Okay, yes. Yes, Eruwala of Amsterdam. Yes, tell him that I went there. I delivered those things to his family. Okay, yes. Yes, I'm in Kelly's house right now. I want to deliver those the luggage to him. To his family, yes. Yes, okay, yes. I will be going to Lagos. Next tomorrow, about I'll go to Lagos. Okay. I will call you, but yes, I will call you. I will call you. Yes, I will call you myself.
You don't know the Kelly.
Kelly. This message is a Kelly.
Bros, wait. You sure say my brother Kelly still there alive?
Kelly, yes, Kelly is alive.
So much alive.
Kelly is alive.
Very alive.
Kelly brought 3 cars. 1 Mercedes and 2 Toyota saloon cars. And this is one of the cars.
Hey! Ọ̀gbẹ́ni mẹ́wẹ́ Kelly oyè nù. Boy Peter were like father like son. Kelly, that jail where you dey, you go stay for inside jail till your lifetime. If for the bring plenty motor they come. Shall it be?
Kelly, my son. In fact, you go prosper. You no go die, yo. You no go die like. You go come out from that prison, come house. I go see you.
You dey crazy? Why go come out from prison?
Why you no go come out?
Person dey inside prison, bring 3 motor come.
If he come out from prison, he go bring past 10. He go bring past 10.
Bros, hope say my brother dey fine.
Kelly is doing very fine. If I know Kelly is actually in prison, which you guys know.
Yeah.
In Europe, you know, it's not proper for the European police to know that shipping those stuff to Africa is by Kelly is very, it's very dangerous for him. You know, I had to do everything on my own to ensure that we ship those stuff to Nigeria, and right now the goods are declared in Lagos. So 1 Mercedes Benz, as I said before, and 2 Toyota saloon cars. So sir, actually the money we spent to claim those stuff is about 3 million naira.
Hey, what?
Yeah, 3 million, sir.
3 million.
Time is more money,
Sir, on my part, I brought out 1.4 million.
Oh.
Because I had to do it for Kelly. You know, he's right there in jail. So the money that we're looking for right now is 1.6 million, and I'm going to Lagos between that next 2 days. I have to be in Lagos, so that's why I'm here. So this is one of the cars, and the luggage is there. They are in the hotel with me, so you can come to my hotel, Murphy Hotel. You come to Murphy Hotel and get those stuff.
Murphy.
In GRA.
Yeah.
Awala motor where they go Murphy hotel.
Yes, just say Murphy Hotel GRA.
Actually, I don't have a car that I'm using, but I'm using it for now. When you come with the cash, you will go with the cars. So, give them something.
Look, who can walk
No, your poor eye.
Wait.
Wait. Okay, for anyway, yours not won't give you.
Hey.
Mommy, I beg can't go, man.
Well, what do you want to do?
Leave me.
Go away, they're not give you.
Wait.
Where you at? Where?
Where Mudiane?
Emi area le yekpone. Area le la igwa se.
Come. I think you don't take the money.
Yes.
How much they talk just now? 1.6. Not be the talk. Go find joiner. Now your son, now your pikin as you talk and just now. And my pikin, like father, like son. Go find money, me they go my market.
You are okay everywhere.
Leave them.
From today onward, everybody cook their own food, eat your own food. In fact, everybody do your own. This 3 motor when my son just bring console. I go set 2. I go keep the Mercedes Benz for myself. Hey! I don't talk am. This motor when they come so. Come on, get your bucket, Oh, not the bucket, I need to have to for the I go keep person. I go keep person for that JK.
You go just keep person because of motor when my son said.
Thank God. The struggle when I small. Struggle find Mercedes. Struggle, I not see. For my old age, I still drive.
You see the eye till they look you.
What did they?
You see am? What do you say you dey talk so? My son bring 3 cars. 1 na your own. The 2 will be my own for inside. You won't go sell am. Say wetin happen?
Don't risk your life.
Wetin 12 na dey quarrel for? Wetin na dey quarrel for? Car una never see for eye. Na 12 na dey quarrel up and down for this house. Person no hear what they get. Mama, how you tell me say you all day inside that car? They lie your nipple. Even you, Papa. Toyota Camry wey dey na my own. Where the place now you and Mama go use and you go set the other one. All this one now they talk. I don't dey.
Shut up your mouth for them.
Sapana, you are. Now what they talk about from us? You just say now to they jump from one house to another, chonko, like your mother. Just say that one they talk so. We are talking about wealth. I want rich now, so nobody, you and your mama, nobody should put wish hand for this my matter. Nobody go put wish hand for this my matter. Anybody, either you or your mama, will put Obago boy in matter now. If you are I go cut her for her. Mama, who are the boy? Don't risk your life, oh! I'll just kill you. Kill away.
Hey!
This man that think kill away.
You just stay here now. They shout. They talk. Say you won't kill people for the car when my son bring come.
Your son will be my son. No venture that matter rough come out from Matikin. You say my son.
Anyway, I'm not just get your time. Now happy mood with this so. So me want call my pastor.
Hey.
I want call my people. Tell them say that thing where we don't they pray for. Papa God don't do it for me.
Now what? Mama. So what you never see? You don't tell people up and down. You want call this one, you want call that one. Now everybody want to say, Brother Kelly, bring something come house.
See this window. Yes. That is this motor now, This motor wey don come so now, this 3 car now, you don't go call your useless pastor now. All those your wish family now, you don't bring them, they come now, when they come taste from the wet when I get. All this your family wey don't get head, you don't get tail now, don't bring them come inside this matter of this motor now be. Where you can be pastor or what, I won't talk. Tell me stay clear from my family.
Therapist, you don't forget the time when you dey tell me say, make I, here you are. Go meet your pastor. Tell her make you pray for Kelly. Go meet your family. Tell them make they help you work out for Kelly matter. You don't forget.
That I never.
You dey call my family useless and they call my pastor name.
That I never get money. Now I don't get money. Money don't come. So tell your family, make them stay clear from my family. You hear? Tell your wish pastor, make it stay clear. Like when pastor do ala or the one that 10% again. I will not pay that. I will not pay free. The pastor, if you don't decrease, what wrong like the Don't like me, man. Yes.
That's what you talk about.
That's what I talk about. Before you go and announce some, say, I can't see motor going. The money where the same will bring 1.6 million naira. I hope you don't get your own. Because I don't use my sense to share that. As the man when he did the house, I know I'll take get my own. I go just suffer tell my friend Ugbo when he has it for GRA. Say, bros, bring money come for me. If they give me money, I go just tell him make he dash me money. He go dash me my own. I go submit my own. Your own for inside. Eke when Udoni nejo down here Kenny, you take some money from there. Then go meet your sister Ijeki. Make you pack money join your home. Make you come submit. Or when you are to Wezua, who did it back, who are guy. The only money when you dey get na to take the buy cream, we have bleach, we buy papa, so we raw. Me and your mama go raise the money by ourselves with the help of my friend.
Me, I no say I no get money.
Better.
But make una not forget. That brother say mo come meet am for Murphy Hotel tomorrow by 2 o'clock.
Murphy.
Yes.
I know.
Mama, you see wetin I see yesterday?
What you see?
That brother, the way I dey look am, you no go get chance for person, but money dey there. You see the perfume that brother put for body? Yes. I dey smell am for compound yesterday, everywhere.
Yes. So what's I can tell you then? You know, see while we dey discuss business, money business. Now money want to come this family. Then you just say concentrate, just a look man. You dey look wetin the man get for inside boss house, abi? I don't share because I know say this bad character wey dey exhibit for this house, so not my family hand be forget am. Na your mama family hand. Na you for copy that.
Abeg. E don do. E don do. No dey curse my family o. When e be say anytime when you wan talk, my family must dey.
Your family, your family. This is a carbon copy of your
Wait! My family, abi?
Yes.
Wait, may I come go tell Mama Ike, may come bring money, come for you. Go find the money so that we will go give them tomorrow. Because me, I not get what I want to inside.
But woman now, Papa Mama here. See, if you not get anything I want to that has to do with that motor, may not reach. Although no wahala sha, yeah, Agbonore can one. What can I say? Oh, come Three moto, maybe 3 not share next tomorrow. Don't want to just back your load now. Make the go papa in my house. Make you go to your house. We can win there. Or say the name of go. It's better I remain wifeless.
Mama, this girl in Noba no dey go. And anytime when I call her, in Noba dey always enter extreme machine.
Hey. What do we can do now? Hey, that's in friend when we dey call her that time. When it be say would they take the phone, they call Kelly now and who take the talk to her and call her now, maybe the number go.
Mama, that boy Noba no dey go. You know, see that Kelly friend Noba no dey go. Since when he talk say he want go another country, go start new life, he Noba no dey go.
Hey. So no means now for us to talk to Kelly. Hey. I wish say I feel just hear a voice now. I feel just talk to her now. Just tell her say thank you. Just tell her thank you for all waiting he sent come for us. Picking way they jail, he still remember in family, still said something come for them. I think I suppose tell her thank you now. Hey. Oh, I won't hear my picking voice. May I tell her say belle sweet me for waiting he sent come for us. Hey. Oh, Mania, beg, call Yeki for me now. I want to talk to her. Yeki.
No, take it, don't ring. Put am for you. No let my foot follow. Hold am well.
I want to.
Put am for here.
Okay.
You go hear say she dey talk.
He don dey talk. He dey talk. Hello. Yaki, na me. Here you are. My sister, we did. Are your own now? Are your people? We thank God though. I be wan come see you now. Now one small thing I be wan tell you. May I come? Thank you. I go come after. Thank you. Hello.
Give me. You don't talk finish. No go. You won't finish my card though.
Wait.
He don't cut. Give me. You won't finish my card.
Don't do now. You'll still buy another one. Put.
Like say you go give me money. If I ask you money now, you'll give me.
I'll give you. Not get boyfriend.
You see.
Now, me I still go collect find that money now. When they see me could bring come.
That money go.
It big.
Listen, upo pa vi ho, ni lega me. Upo pa vi bieka na biesire me. Demi go ika te blone sin. Ive pombo salo pati ive weni sin. Ura kwa ligo, una kwa ligo. Useti mi go bet, ura mi avi ho. On yo se, ni nasinya emi here ni ve me ve yari eve. Iwo puna mie, iwo puna mu. Iwo pun, na ve ya wada mu. Junkie mo hoy not lay you ever. Cause like it woni zogo ni kebi yanve. Iyo ni yoko yo wa ogwa le. Iga mwele legbe iga ari male. Edo we ukutu magie we ban. Ogo no yesket no mo se egya ban. Emi no dame vorion e itamuwa. Room dama meson I seti mi wa. Osa senaga, osa senaro. On yo se ege ya gen claro. Iga ladian va son iya mwe karo. Negbe go fofo abu. Lao, Samoro me o, ni wane ramye ve na go. E kone ya singe favor. No this morning. Guvere of your funny girl. Listen, upo pa vi ho, ni lega me. Upo pa vi bieka na biesire me. Demi go ika te blone sin. Ive pombo salo pati ive weni sin. Kwa ligo. Una kwaliko seti mi go bet uga mi avi ho on yo se ni nasinya emi here ni ve me ve yari eve iwo puna mie iwo puna mu iwo pun na ve ya wada mu junkie mo hoy not lay you ever cause like it woni zogo ni kebi yanve iyo ni yoko yo wa ogwa gale iga mwele legbe iga ari male edo we ukutu magie we ban. Ogo no yesket no mo se egya ban. Emi no dame vorion e itamuwa. Room dama meson I seti mi wa. Osa senaga, osa senaro. On yo se ege ya gen claro. Iga ladian va son iya mwe karo. Negbe go fofo abu. Lao, Samoro me o. Ni wane ramye ve na go. E kone ya singe favor. No this morning.
So, see, I want you to know that this mind of mine is made up. Coming from a distance, say I no go fit to give up. Me and my nigga, we are going so higher. We are moving very faster. You need to think it twice before you roll the dice. Make you know, come they start to ask Maka why. Chai, it go be like surprise when the thing go happen for your eye. We are victorious. Every day and night we are conqueror. As was the blunt, we are glorious. Them know us, say we better than them. All those say Upo pa bon, no lega me. Yo, no we be yo. E kone ya si favor. No this morning. Guvere of your funny girl.
Nyateme ona wu rundi ma wu usakyo deme nive ya de wu iga gwi kogwan iya mume wu iya wi mego nyateme Mr. Ibo opene ne junkie kele lo to nike mwe gbe ko to.
What happened?
Are you? Are you the same comment? See, make I warn you, That thing when you do so, don't ever you try it for real life. No try am again, oh. Let's try.
Wetin happen now?
So now you dey say come. Now you dey say come, eh? What's the meaning of this?
Wetin? I can't wake you, make I tell you, say, I dey go Iyeki place as we talk before, make I go collect the loan now. Eh?
Must you tell me? If you dey go Iyeki place, if you come from Iyeki place, they don't dey tell me, must you tell me before you come out?
If I come out like that, you no go, you wake up, you go dey find me follow everywhere. If I come, you no go dey ask me, say, where I go? I don't waka again, I don't go Tafia.
Right now, Gwalo, why are you so important in this house? Must you come and wake me? The time now you come wake me. Why?
Abeg, I no just get your time this time. You hear me so? I no get your time.
But the time you hear, we don't put a board the coin for my life. How you can't get my time? We don't put a board the coin for my life. No try this thing, no try again for my life.
Abeg, that one don't do.
My friend, get out of my face. Run come on for my face. So you come to Bona. So you don't say Bobo. I got baby here na ma ra ya wa ni. Get what must say? What must say? You don't use that thing rough. Motor ya boy, come here. I said they don't come out, Abi. She don't come out, eh? I said they don't come out, eh? They don't come out, Abi. Everybody. Oh, what up with it now? What up with it? Vini, guess the one person say. You know why you sokole. See moto. Hi. Only you for ignorant. You just allow me miss that important thing. Oh, yeah, be you are. Error, you are just imagine this wish woman. You know what bring my idea say you wanna. Yeah, be you are. Now another person. Now you go commode the food with your mouth, you go commode them. Error can never you onure. Error want your body coin with that boy. What do I do to you? Have I ever done this to you once? Me don't try for your life. That is, I use my hand go marry witch before us when they ruin my life. The only time I want is bless. You bless you when see moto and you go for Boloragmo. One person just come. Oh, what do you Ah, Ijabiasi. Hey! Yakawe, it go good for you. If I never fed do you. It
seems to know every single Benin guy in Europe, and the guy is so rich.
Are you serious?
You need to have a guy like him. And he even came with bodyguards to my compound. After 20 minutes he left, we were still feeling his breath all over my compound.
I know you, my baby. You will do everything in your power.
You can say that again. I even heard he's traveling. Me, I want to make sure we are together. Even whenever he's around, we will still be together.
Are you serious? Tell me.
If I eventually get pregnant from him, I will not abort my baby. One need to have a child for such a man. Husband are scarce.
Superwoman, fire. I know you will give him that your superstar.
Yes, so please let's hurry before my mom get there before me.
Nike mo egbe koto barun oto lao o salopo age imeto keko se me no ropa na tie o ropa te.
Stop that. You don't pump your balls like that. Don't do that. Or don't you have manners? It's okay. Later be.
No.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Is your parent?
They are fine, they'll still be here. And I don't want them to leave from here. I just came to see you.
Okay.
Good day, sir.
How are you?
I brought some food.
You are beautiful.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Flora.
Flora. You do know, in Europe, you'll be thinking that there is no beautiful girl again in Africa. In Benin, you are. You're welcome.
I make this food myself. You're going to like it. Yeah, my daddy.
Yeah. That's good.
Hey! Stop that! I just come here and give my boss food. Before you give boss any food, you will test them first now. So if there is any poison, you have to take it and die first.
Poison?
Yes.
They are doing their jobs, okay? They are my security teams, and they are my security team, so it's their right to confirm the food before I eat anything. So, I'm sorry. Okay?
Okay.
Put you here. Come on, bring it. We don't give him anything you like. We have to test it first, okay? God.
It's okay. Sorry. I'm sorry for they are doing their jobs. Okay?
You tasted the food. How was it? How did it taste?
It's cool. Cool. Prepare it yourself or your friend.
I prepare it myself.
Beautiful. So, since he has said this food is nice, it shows the food is nice. So it goes to show that you can twerk as well, right?
Yes, twerk.
Why don't you give us some little twerk? You and your friend.
You want to twerk for me?
Twerk for the boss.
I mean, you can twerk for
I
me.
can twerk very well.
Let's go ahead. Let's see your twerk.
Baby, let's twerk.
Wow.
Wow. Wow, this is good for the boss.
That's nice,
Wow,
man.
this is good for the boss.
This
is good. This for the boss. It's good for the boss.
Baby, let's go inside. Let me twerk for you more.
You mean you want me to go inside and you want to twerk for me?
Yes, I want to twerk for you.
In that case, you will twerk for my boys. They need to confirm you're twerking before you not twerk for me.
Exactly. Yeah, that's true.
That's what we're talking about.
Listen, upo pa vi ho, ni lega me. Upo pa vi bien kana bien sireme. Demi go you got a blown sin. You ve pombo salo boati give when you sing. Ura kwa ligo, una kwa ligo. Useti mi go bet ura mi avi ho. On your say, ni na sinya e. Emi here ni ve me ve yari e vai. Igo puna mie, igo puna mu.
Era vacia. Ururu. Igisu ne lalo.
Wow. You mean the twerking as we confirm?
Samoro me o, ni wan me ramye mye ve na go. E kove ya zinge peva. Bulere of your money get.
See, I want you to know that this mind of mine is.
What do you do?
I did draw where the mechanic where the carpenter want put the car park. Now this side want put the car park. Okay? Yeah. I can't build 2 rooms self-contained for this side. Call it share when I want to marry my new wife.
Eh? Hold
Yeah, your picking go do this one.
Wait! Which wife you want marry come?
I don't understand you. My money don't come.
Eh?
I need to marry another new wife. Belgian wife, not be this second one that they manage.
Eh?
Mbejon. Direct. I got tears cellophane.
Waiting! Maybe all this one where you dey talk. Who born pikin wey get the money wey you want take marry new wife?
My pikin.
Which woman you want bring come this house? See, make I tell you, that's your new wife or anything wey you call her, Me and that's my yori daughter, Abia you are. Two of us, we go bundle that woman, we go turn fuel for her head, we go set fire put.
Mama Beriwa, don't insult my new wife.
Hell!
Don't try yourself insult my new wife.
You never say anything.
My wife, you want to put fire?
Yes.
My new wife?
Yes.
You don't try him.
Okay now.
Fear not let you try him.
Mommy, babe.
You are stupid.
Wait! That one don't even reach. How many car park you say you want build for him?
One. One.
Wait, let me ask you. How many cars that man tell us yesterday say?
3.
And you want build one car park?
Yes. I go to park one for inside, then the rest I go sell them.
Say which person car? Car where my pikin bring for me.
You are mad. Me go to drive motor. You go to drive motor. For this same compound, our wa egg. Now let me go to drive. When the worst come to worst, this one, I go repair am. Give you. No,
you go take this one, go carry your new wife.
I go leave GLK Beth. What is the word? You mad? Not try yourself, oh.
In fact, I don't just get what me want tell you. Make the car come, make we see what go happen. Then you go tell me say you go come go sell my car.
Me and you not fit the drive motor for the same compound. That was what? That God forbid.
Who born the pikin?
Not me, brother. It's my son.
It's your son.
Let me tell you. See, who gonna give me money to buy for the motor?
The things where my pikin bring come so gold go dey inside, silver dey. When they inside that luggage, me go dey sell and go take am.
Mommy no useless here. No, you agba care when you do. Then you want sell gold, take buy fuel for motor.
My they can't wear.
I don't tell you. You better go find mechanic when want repair this one, oh. Now Volkswagen product, oh.
Your own now you dey talk.
This motor only come from market, oh. Pure water here, pure water.
Why you don't use it if you don't say no, they come out for market?
Hey, packet, why?
I make we dey go where we dey
go. Demigo ikate blonesin ive pombo salopo atigive wenisin ura kwaligo una kwaliko useti migo bet ura miaviko onyose nina sinya emi here nive mebe yari bai iko puna mie iko puna mu iko pun na be ya wada mu iyo ni loko yo wa owalale ira wele le gbe ira rie male.
You are good at twerking.
How will I stay?
I'll call you.
Okay.
Wow. Girls. Beautiful girls. Blessed with natural endowment. Wow.
que boye mi n'aura yé vieux. Y'a n'en liboku.
Oh, yeah. Mommy, record. Vamos up. So, we'll be waiting for you since morning, sir. Cool. You have the money now? Don't know, sir. No, give it to me. Everything correct. Don't be correct. Okay. Those are the luggages there.
Huh?
Yeah. These are the bags.
Oh!
Yes, sir. Cool. Mommy, keep praying for Kelly. I know things will be okay.
Amen.
Father Must.
Amen.
Cool.
Bros, what of the rest motor?
Okay, the car. Okay, I told you they are coming from Lagos. Okay, let me just...
Share your phone.
Okay, let me call. Okay, they are even calling. Hello? See, I'm sorry, my phone is down. Okay, you're in a car alone now, driving to Benin. Okay, see, there is no need for you to drive to the hotel to see me. No, don't come to GRA. Just go to Kelly's house. Yeah, the 2 cars, drive them there. Yes. Okay, address. Hey, Papa. Wait, I will give you the address. Your house address.
House address.
You have a pen, the yes.
Number 20.
20.
Number 20 Amadasu.
Okay. Number 20 Amadasu Street off Ekenwa Road. Yes. Okay, just go there now. Okay, yes. Okay. Pardon. They are driving to your house.
To my house?
Yes, in the car. My boys will take these luggages to your house. They will use that car to drive to your house and we'll come back.
What of the other car?
Yeah, this Benz, sir. Yeah, they will drive it to your house and they will come back. Yeah, actually, I don't have a car right now. They'll go and deliver to other persons and return the car back to you.
Boss, let's start going, madam.
If I don't, right now, what will happen here? Guys, just take those stuff and deliver in the house. So, you have to be on your way now. So, actually, they are going to your house. They are driving down there. So, this Mercedes, this is your car. Or my boys will use it to drop other luggages in other places. After they will return it back to you. I'll tell him to give them some transport there. Okay, boss.
Thank you.
Mommy, keep praying for Kelly. I know things is going to be okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Be careful with this bag. So I don't have money to pay for damages. Carry that bag very well. It's heavy. I don't want anybody to give me complaint that what I bought is damaged. I don't have money to pay. Just good.
It go be like surprise when the thing go happen for your eye. We are victorious. Every day and night we are conqueror. Ask what's the plan till we are glorious. Them know us say we better than them. All know say Upo Babo no legame. Yo no wegbe yo. Ekole yazi favor. No this money. Uvere of your funny get it.
Miatime on I woo. rundi mawu usakio deme nive ya dewu iga gwikogwan iya mumewu iya wimego iya teme Mr. Ivo opene ne jonki kelelo to nike mwegbe koto barun oto lao osalopa ge imeto keko se me noropa na te oroba to iga biele hui ibe biomebo jonki iye kwase no goviebo iga hian ode iga nga miemege ima oni fio boye mi no ga yiye vie ya ne libokun ere ni na wamokun ima en wigo me yase amosun osano mege ya miere me na be market ave koga yigo kwalo me amieroka ameriyoko on your ze ne jonki na goko on your ze ne jonki na yoko on your ze ni na rule leliko iga laido ni ateme atiti emote masebo ogo motiti forgive me Lord my iniquity cause I'm an empty entity in your vicinity
Makawai chai it go be like surprise when the thing go happen for your eye. We are victorious every day and night. We are conqueror. Ask what's the blunt, we are glorious. Them know us say we better than them. All those say Upo Babo no legame. Yo no wake be yo. Ekole yazi favor. No this morning. Uvere of your funny get
Niateme onaiwu rundi mawu usakio deme nive ya dewu iga gwiko
Upo Babo no legame.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo no wake be yo.
Soft street, soft pop.
Ekole yazi favor. Uvere of your funny get
Listen, upo pa vi ho, ni legame. Upo pa vi bieka na biesireme. Demigo iga te blonesin. Ive kombo salopo ati give wenisin. Uga gwaligo, una gwaliko. Useti migo bet uga miaviho. On your se, ni nasinya e. Emi here nive mebe yari eve. Iko puna mie, iko puna mu, iko pun na ve ya wadamu. Junkie moho not le you ever. But he like it when he's so good, he can be a vet. He only look for you are or wagale. You got well, the baby, got a male. And the way, who put to my gear with ban. Who go no yes get number say egg ya ban. Maybe not that memorial, a tamuwa. Room dama maison, I said to me wa. Osa Senaga, Osa Senaro. On your say, ere ya get claro. You got Ladian was son, iya mwekaro. Nebevo fofwa buo lao samoro me o ni wa me ramie me na go
Ekole yazi favor. No this morning. Uvere of your funny get See, I want you to know that this mind of mine is made up. Coming from a distance, say I no go fit to give up. Me and my nigga, we are going so higher. We are moving very fast. You need to think it twice before you roll the dice. Make you know, come they start to ask Makawai chai.
Yeah, go away.
Go happen for your eye. Every day and night we are conqueror.
La me paquet avec Cora, il go quoi le mec.
Oh,
On y a les junkies na coco. On y a les junkies na yoko. On y